This is the life story of that great personality in whose memory this monument has been built.
In the last part, we saw the outbreak of cholera at Allahabad and Abhay meets the monks of Gaudiya Math. Now, further.
You came back so early today.
Yes. I have to go to Saharanpur for a few days. Can you please pack up my things? And where are the children?
They've gone out with Baba for a walk. How many days will you be gone for?
Maybe 8 or 10 days. I can't really say. My train is at 6 o'clock. So please pack up my things.
Okay.
I'll just take a bath.
You're traveling so much nowadays. You hardly spend any time at home.
See, the business is going on and I have to visit so many customers.
The other day I overheard you telling Dr. Ghosh that the payments are not coming in regularly.
Yes, I have to give credit to the customers, but they're not paying in time. Still, I have to keep supplying them, and the amount of credit is increasing. That's why I have to travel so many times. I have to chase them for payments, otherwise they're not going to pay.
When you started your own business, you thought that you will get free from material entanglements and have enough time to preach the message of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Just see what happened.
Yes, the material nature is like that, Radharani. No matter how hard you try to free yourself, she has a way to tie you down. What's this for?
I'm packing these fruits for your traveling.
But it won't be necessary.
But when you're away from home, you hardly eat anything.
See, when I find a Vishnu temple, I take prasad. Otherwise, there is plenty of fruits, nuts, and milk available in the market.
But why are you traveling so much and working so hard?
I'm working so hard because I have to earn enough to spread the glorious teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and still have enough to maintain you all. I don't want to become a rich man.
Abhay Babu, nice to see you.
I'm also happy to see you.
But why didn't you inform us that you were coming?
I had to come all of a sudden.
Well, the room on the roof where you like to stay has already been booked.
That doesn't matter. Give me any room that's available.
Oh. Well, room number 7 on the first floor is a very nice one.
That will be fine with me.
Sign, please. Here you are.
Thank you.
Ramu, oh Ramu,
Yes, Babu.
take Abhay Babu to room number 7. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram.
Birju?
Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna.
Birju Prasad!
Yes, Babu. I'm coming.
You lit the fire so early in the morning. Do you think coal comes free?
I didn't light the fire, Babu.
Then where did he get hot water from? Does hot water rain from sky nowadays?
I'm telling you, Babu. I didn't light the fire.
Then how did the gentleman in room 7 get hot water?
Oh, you mean that medicine, Babu? Whenever he comes here, he takes his bath very early in the morning, and that too with cold water. Even in winter.
What? He takes bath in cold water? The thought just makes my bones shiver. I thought I saw his body steaming.
He is not an ordinary man, Babu. He must be a Siddha Yogi. He bathes and he daily does his puja. And he sings so beautifully. When I listen to his singing very early in the morning, I feel as if I have been transported to another world. Listen, Babu.
जय जय माधव मदन मुरारी राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम जय जय केशव कलिमल हारे राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम सुंदर कुंडल मधुर विशाला गले सोहे वैजयंती माला या छवि की बलिहारी।
राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम, राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम।
कब लूठ लूठ दधि खायो, कब हूँ मधुवन रास रचायो। नाचत विपिन बिहारी, नाचत विपिन बिहारी। राधे श्याम श्याम श्याम। ग्वाल बाल संग धेनु चराई, बन बन भ्रमत फिरे जगुराई। कांधे कामरकारी, कांधे कामरकारी। राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम,
राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम, राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम।
चुरा चुरा नवनीत जो खायो, चुरा चुरा नवनीत जो खायो। व्रजवनि तन पे नाम धरायो। माखन चोर मुरारी, माखन चोर मुरारी। राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम। एक दीन मान इंद्र कुमारयो, नख ऊपर गोवर्धन धारयो। नाम पड़यो गिरधारी, नाम पड़यो गिरधारी। राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम,
राधे श्याम श्यामा श्याम, राधे श्याम श्यामा।
How nice to see you again. Please take a seat. Can I offer you some tea, please?
You know that I don't drink tea.
Oh, I completely forgot. Tiwari,
Yes, sir.
can you please come here? Please take an order of 2 cases of ointment and...
Mr. Agarwal, I won't be able to supply you unless you clear your old debts.
But, Abhay Babu, the market is very bad and the business is so dull.
If business is so dull, then why do you want new supplies?
You see, I have given the medicine on credit. And if people pay me, then I'll pay you back.
I have been hearing this from you for months. How can you expect me to supply if you don't pay?
Abhay Babu, I guarantee you, I will pay you next month. This time I will not fail.
Mr. Agarwal, you see, I have been gifted with one talent. I can see through a person. You think you're fooling me? But actually you're fooling yourself. Just to accumulate a few rupees, you don't hesitate to lie. But did you ever consider what a heavy price you'll have to pay for that?
You are cursing me.
No, I'm not cursing you. I'm forecasting the inevitable and trying to warn you for your own benefit.
If you speak like this, then I'll call the police.
Actually, it is I who should call the police and take you to the court for not paying me. But I won't. Because I don't want to stoop so low just to get some money out of you. If you think by cheating me you will gain, then go ahead and cheat me. If you think by cheating me you will gain, then go ahead and cheat me.
Tiwari,
Yes, sir.
give me the accounts book. Abhay Babu, Abhay Babu, Abhay Babu. I'm so sorry that I did not deal with you honestly.
That's all right.
Today, you opened my eyes and made me realize that accumulating money is not the only goal of life. Please forgive me. I will settle all the outstanding debts right now. Here. Take this money.
Thank you.
Prayag, did you finish your homework?
Yes, Ma.
I received a letter from Madhavi today.
Oh, I see. What did she say? Are they all right?
Yes, everything is fine. Besides Baba's health. Dada started a new business. And they found a suitable boy for Jayanti. Prayag! Prayag! What are you doing? Don't touch the fan! Sit here. He's become so stubborn.
What happened? Why is he crying?
He's become so naughty. He wants to touch the fan. We have to always let him do whatever he wants.
I want to touch it.
So you want to touch the fan?
Yes.
But do you know what will happen if you touch it? You'll hurt yourself.
No, I want to touch it. No, I want to touch it.
Prayag, try to understand what your father is saying. If you touch the fan, you will cut your finger.
No, I want to touch the fan.
Very well. Prayagraj, come here. Now here is the fan. Touch it. What happened?
I hurt my finger.
That's what I told you. But you would not listen. You see, some people learn by hearing, some by seeing, and some by getting hurt. So you fall in the third category. I hope you learnt your lesson. Why don't you go and touch it again?
No, I won't touch it. No, I won't touch the fan.
The potential of the Indian market is very good. The person we decide on should be fully dedicated to market our products.
Hello, Mr. Day. Please have a seat. They are expecting you.
Thank you.
Mr. Johnson, do you think Mr. Day is the right person?
Yes. Not only does he have many years of experience in this field, he's also very honest.
Do we have to appoint an Indian agent? Can't we get a reputed British firm to represent us?
Bradley, if we wish to distribute our products in the interior of this country, we need Indian agents to do that.
Sir, Mr. Day is here to see you.
Okay, ask him to come in.
All right.
This is our third meeting with him. I think today we should give him an answer.
Do you think he is competent to market our products?
Yes, Lindsay. He has 15 years of experience in marketing pharmaceutical products.
But I'm concerned that he does not have a good financial standing.
That's true. But we're not looking for a stockist. We're looking for a marketing manager. We're not going to stock our products with him.
But isn't it preferable to have a solvent agent rather than a person who doesn't have much financial credibility?
I personally think what we need is an honest man with experience. And to tell you frankly, of all the people we've seen, he seems to be the best choice.
Mr. Sharma, what do you think?
I've already voiced my reservations about his credibility.
But don't forget, he was the top agent for Bosch Laboratories.
Lindsay, I admire your progressive attitude and revolutionary ideas, but I do not always agree with you. Gentlemen, I have a meeting to attend, so you'll carry on. Please let me know what you have decided upon it.
Goodbye, Bradley.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Good day.
Good day, Mr. Day.
Good afternoon.
Please come and take a seat.
Yes, thank you.
Please bring a cup of tea for Mr. Day.
No, that won't be necessary, sir. I don't drink tea.
How strange. When the whole world drinks the elixir from India, you don't? You know it is very good for your constitution.
I don't drink tea because it is an intoxicant.
Intoxicant? Why?
Because it has caffeine, which has an intoxicating effect.
Oh, I see. Anyway.
So, Mr. Day, it appears that you have a lot of experience in marketing pharmaceutical products since you were the sole selling agent for Bose Laboratories in northern India.
Yes, since 1923.
You see, we're looking for somebody who will be very dedicated and enthusiastic to distribute our products in this part of India.
I'll try my best.
What is your establishment like?
Well, I don't really have much of an establishment now, but I can set it up. I'm manufacturing and marketing my own pharmaceutical products.
Oh, I see. So simultaneously you want to run two businesses?
If I take the agency for your product, I'm not going to manufacture mine. I will honestly admit that my business is not doing very well. That's why I'm considering your offer.
That's very good to know, Mr. Day. It's 5 o'clock. Why don't we go to the club and continue our discussion there? Is that all right with you, Mr. Day?
As a matter of fact, I go to the temple every evening to attend the service at 6 o'clock.
I'm sure you can make an exception on a day like this. After all, we are going to discuss some very important business. Do you have a problem today?
Yes, if you don't mind, sir. I'd like to be excused. Maybe we could continue the discussion tomorrow.
Is it so important that you go to the temple?
Yes. It means a lot to me.
No, not now.
Thank you very much.
Obviously, he's not the man we want.
जयं विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तर शत श्री श्रीमद श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर श्रील प्रभुपाद की श्रील भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती ठाकुर प्रभुपाद की।
Abhay Babu, Sridhar Maharaj has gone out for a program this evening. He asked me to request you to give the Bhagavad Gita class.
Me? No, I can't give a class. Actually, you should take the class.
No, Abhay Babu. Everyone loves to hear your classes. And besides that, Sridhar Maharaj specifically requested that you give the class.
You see, I'm just a neophyte devotee. And on top of that, I'm a householder. You are so much more advanced than me. So you should give the class.
Please don't speak like that, Abhay Babu. Everyone can see how advanced you are.
गोपी जाना बल्लभा गिरिवरधारी गोपी जाना बल्लभा गिरिवरधारी गोपी जाना बल्लभा गिरिवरधारी गोपी जाना बल्लभा। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे।
श्री ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा की
जय।